Welcome to this 5-room, huge 120 square meters HDB at block 716 Tampines Street 71. You can check out, this is really a very nicely renovated, very spacious unit. Okay, here's the view from the living. So there's a nice greenery outside. A very huge living and dining area. Okay, it's fully renovated. Let's go to the kitchen area first. So the kitchen area with what I call that, the ovens on one side, the fridge, and then no clear glass. You can actually look out into the living room, okay, while you're cooking. And of course, the windows by the side for great ventilation. You have a very big yard area for your laundry, okay. And this is the view from the yard area. Yeah, so you have a nice unblocked view. Let's check out. This is actually the study space. So this is a 3+1. This study space, they use it as a dining area. You can definitely convert it into your 4th bedroom. Okay, and the common bathroom is actually hidden behind this sliding door. Nicely done up. We're just gonna check out 2 of the bedrooms. Okay, this is one of the common bedrooms. Okay, yeah, a very good space. You definitely can put a queen size inside here. And we check out the master bedroom. So master bedroom, they've done up and utilized the layout to have this walk-in wardrobe concept. Okay, so it's a walk-in wardrobe. Then the bedroom area, queen size. You want to put a king size, also no problem. Okay, and of course here is the attached bathroom. Okay, and this ends our video walkthrough tour of a 5-bedroom at block 716 Tampines Street 71. Okay, let's take a look at the view outside again.